guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and did my brows and primed my eyes off camera. So I'm going to go in with this guy right here. I'm going to take that on a 224 brush. And it's okay if it's not really pigmented right now, because you want to build up to that intensity. And we're just going to start warming up the eye. And I just want to keep the shade right towards the outer portion of the eye. Still using the same brush on my 224. Just in this area right here. I'm going to take that on my 217 brush. And then as you have less product, just bring it a little bit inward. I want most of the pigmentation towards the outer part of the eye. Okay, going back in with a 224. I want to make sure that everything is blended. I'm going to go in with the shade right here. And then a clean 224. Go back in with that pink shade. And we're just going to deepen up that outer edge. So I'm gonna go in with foundation. Today's combination is going to be, this is in Desert Beige, and I'm gonna mix that in today with some C4 Studio Fix. Alright, and before I go in with my foundation, I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it. And I'm leaving my under eye area blank because I am going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to go in with some concealer and I'm going to apply that on the back of my hand. Today I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And then I bring it up. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with my concealer. I'm going to spray some of the Fix Plus and kind of mix it in to hopefully give it a little bit more hydration. Okay, taking my damp beauty sponge. I just love that powder. Now I'm gonna go in with some tinted brow gel, and I'm using Brown Ebony. And I go in lightly. Okay, I'm going to take the shade right here. And I'm just using that one to smudge out the bottom lashes or lash line. And I'm using this brush right here from Real Techniques. Alright, same shade. Just so it can be a little bit more blown out. And start incorporating that into our look. Real Techniques brush with Embark. And this is just going to add a little bit more depth to the eye. Okay, let me just dust some of this off. Omega bronzer, and this is in the shade 104 Tantastic. I'm going to take that on my Smith Cosmetics 115 brush. So we're just adding a little bit of warmth. So I'm just going to brighten up a little bit in my inner corner. I'm going to be using Everyday is Sunshine. This little guy right here. So I'm going to put that right in my inner corner. I'm going to just blend that out with my look at the difference just right here and then on this one. So now I'm going to take some highlighter. I'm just going to use Snow Flush today because since it has a pink reflex and I have like more of that cranberry eye, I want to go ahead and actually use this one. So that's this little guy here. This was limited. You can use any highlighter that you have. You don't have to use this one. So at first I go in with this dry. So you can see right here, my brush is dry. I have not sprayed it. I go in with it with a wet brush. I feel like it doesn't pick up. Oops. It doesn't pick up the foundation. Okay, so this is the final look. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see my next video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified for the next video. Alright, thank you guys.
I'll see you on my next video. Bye!